You're installing Windows, everything seems fine. Then, suddenly, you get this message: we couldn't create a new partition or locate an existing one. It looks scary, but don't worry, your SSD or hard drive probably isn't damaged. In this video, I'll show you simple method to fix this error in just a couple of minutes. Let's get started. Here's the advanced fix. While you're on the Windows setup screen, press Shift plus F10 to open command prompt. Now type the following commands one by one. Type DiskPart and hit enter. Type list disk and hit enter to see your drives. Type select disk 0 or whichever number matches your main drive and hit enter. Type clean and hit enter. This completely removes the existing partition table. Type convert GPT to make sure it's fully compatible with modern UEFI systems. Type exit, close the window, click refresh on your setup screen and hit next. And that's it. Your Windows installation should now be rocking and rolling. If this video saved your sanity today, smash that like button, drop a comment if you ran into any issues, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech fixes. See you in the next one.